The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The KEA 700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and convenient solution in food preparation. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of industrial food machinery. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for our next installment, coming soon. This service is worth double the price. This man's steps create a two giant portraits spanning over 120 meters. Trumpeter shows us an incredible real-world expression of audio waveforms. You don't need to hit the gym for this workout. Amazing! He is jumping rope and can still feel the dance moves. The fabric is cut with incredible precision along the stripes by the skilled hands of a master. This street artist can create a portrait of herself with stunning accuracy. I witnessed a remarkable billiards player for the first time. He only took a little over 10 seconds to cut 30 pieces of wood. Newton's third law visualized with two markers. A basketball player may not be able to do this. Skied there. After making 6 hits in a row, he could still stand. This man has mastered his own work. Moonwalking is not that simple, but this girl did it even underwater. He can lift anything, including you. Woo, that's been burning rubble. Yeah. Woo. I have found Maverick's new opponent. He quit. He even left the car behind. While you're struggling to draw a line with the ruler, he just needs his crazy steady hand. Even with his eyes blindfolded, he excelled in this challenge. Jason threw the axe in the right place 3 times in a row, making these girls go crazy. His incredible flexibility made me think he's a noodle.